Did you ever think about this? I haven't, but now I have, so I'm passing on the good news. So actually the customer had asked me, and I said, you know what, well, why not? And so I'm gonna start cleaning these on a regular. I actually did pick up all the stuff, then they blew it with the big stuff off. Then I vacuumed, actually put my vacuum on high and got most of the stuff off there real quick. And then yeah, no solution, just a good rinse, getting all that dirt off. So customers are really happy with the grass being clean, but guess who's the most happy here? These guys right here. They're really look how happy they are. Yeah, they don't like too much paparazzi, but
well, make sure you tell it's the one on the right or her left is one that caused this to be washed.
Yeah.
Because of her diapers.
Yeah, that's why.
Yes,
you talking about me? Yeah.
Never thought I'd ever put a diaper on a dog.
Huh. All right. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So yeah, quick little video. Just kind of showing another service you can add to your services. I would do it just like you would on carpets, really. I charged them $40 an additional, to what I already did. But if I told them if I had come there just to do that, it'd be $100. And I did get the idea from the customer, so I definitely gave her a good deal. Real nice people. So yeah, so they were ecstatic over the carpet cleaning that I did in the RV. They thought that that I did the best job they've had so far, and they've had like 3 other people. So it just kind of shows you guys, if you do extra quality work. I mean, your job is really your job interview, all right? So if you do a good job, you're gonna get a repeat customer, and that's what is going to keep your business alive. And yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed, and like me, was like surprised at how come you didn't think of that. Yeah. All right, have a good one. Please like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you in the next video.